Hi guys, today I have the Sony A7Siii with me with a new flip screen, and yeah, I'm a little bit skeptical. Is it worth the extra money, because it's over double the price than the current A7 III, and I want to compare if the Sony A7S III is so much better than the A7 III. Now we're going to test HLG3 with active steady shot. Let's see how this is going to turn out. Alright, oh my god. This is so stable. Unbelievable. Right, now we're testing the Slog 3 with active steady mode. Oh my god. Okay, the active steady mode is actually really steady. Let's see how it looks if we move over here. Come closer and now go out of the frame. Faster. And back. Alright. What I found a bit underwhelming was the colors, because in comparison to the A7 III and the 8-bit color, it didn't make such a huge difference that I would pay more 2,000 euros on top. The most surprised I was with the stabilization feature the new A7S III has, because the gyroscope sensor data is very helpful for the camera to stabilize handheld video footage, and I had a lot of fun using this. Alright guys, now we're testing with f20, shutter 3200 and ISO 40,000. Isn't that crazy? Interestingly, the noise test didn't overwhelm me so much. To be honest, for me, the Sony A7 III footage looks better than the Sony A7S III, and I promise I had the exact same settings all the time. Now my conclusion, who is this camera for and who should buy it? Well, me not. That's what I can tell you immediately, because I know the A7 III is a good bang for a buck. It's super cheap and it has everything I need. Who needs 4K 120? So, well, I don't shoot 120 frames a lot, in only very special situations. Maybe once a year I have the opportunity to really use this, but otherwise I'm only sticking to 4K 30, and that's totally enough for me. Clearly the best thing is the active stabilization, but just because if you're too lazy to use a gimbal, you could maybe come around with handheld footage. But to be honest, if you're so professional that you use this camera, the A7S III, for so much money, then you better have a gimbal. And then you don't need the active tracking stabilization. For me, I don't think it is really worth it to upgrade from an A7 III, but if you really need the accurate colors and if you want the superb autofocus, because I've seen how amazing it is with eye tracking, then you should consider buying this camera. If you like honest opinions and honest reviews, you're completely right on my channel, because my opinion isn't bought or sponsored. That's why you should consider subscribing to this channel. I hope we see us next time, and goodbye.